And that's on sale for $109.99, normally $129.99. All right, let's keep it on going. Let's see what else is on sale today. Let's take a look. Let me go into my app here. Let's take a look at the... we took a look at the Dysons. We also got this awesome Bissell CrossWave since we were talking about floor cleaners. This is another powerful one here. This one is almost like a little bundle. Comes with a solution, an extra brush, an extra filter. So let's take a look at that here right now. And this is the Bissell CrossWave on sale today. 1 second, let me make sure I got it right. 1 second. There it is.
This is the Bissell CrossWave. It is a multi-surface wet dry vacuum and mop, which I'm absolutely loving. Super simple. I love that the water tank has a marking area for smaller areas and then another one for larger areas. It's got a dirty water reservoir right here and then the clean water in the back, so that you're always making sure you're cleaning with clean solution and not recycled dirty water. You're going to be able to vacuum and mop at the same time, all in one with this.